Hello everyone, it's Maliha here. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the fascinating world of 3D printing. We'll explore what 3D printing is, learn how 3D printers work, examine their components, and walk through the complete process of creating 3D prints, from concept to finished product. Whether you're a beginner or simply curious about this technology, this video is the perfect starting point. Let's dive in. 3D printing is awesome. It is transforming digital visions into tangible realities. 3D printing has evolved beyond merely creating plastic components. We now witness innovations like custom prosthetics, eco-friendly architecture, and 3D printed cuisine. The future isn't just on the horizon, it's being brought to life through printing. Next comes, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is a way of creating three-dimensional, 3D, solid objects. 3D printing is done by building up the object layer by layer. Now let's see, how do 3D printers work? There are two primary types of 3D printing, FDM and SLA. FDM, fused deposition modeling, is the most widely used method due to its additive process, ease of use, and relatively low mess. Additionally, it utilizes filament, which is quite affordable. This prints at a layer thickness of approximately 100 to 20 microns, which is the minimum that most printers can achieve. This incredibly thin layer results in smooth and high-quality prints using FDM technology. Here is the list of filament types that can be used in 3D printers. The next one is SLA, which stands for stereolithography. SLA printing features thicker layers but delivers excellent print quality due to fewer moving parts compared to FDM printers. It uses a projector or laser to harden resin while the build platform moves upwards, resulting in upside-down prints. While SLA offers high quality, it is more expensive than the cheaper FDM option, which is why many prefer FDM printers. Typically, 3D printers use plastic due to its affordability and ease of use. While some can print with metals and ceramics, these options are generally too expensive for most users. "3D printing describes the process of creating a digital model and then sending that file to be manufactured as a physical, three-dimensional object. Don't forget to watch my next video on this in more detail. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.